Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the practical series of the Android application development. In this session, I will explain you about the OnClick Listener, which is apply on button. So without wasting of time, let us start with the practical. Now we first create a new Android project. Just go to the file, new project. Then we have to select the empty activity. Next, now enter the Android application name. So I am typing Android application development 1, and this is my package name, and this is the path where the Android application will save, and we select the language as Java, and then we click on this finish button. After clicking this finish button, it will create a new project. So as we can see here, Android application development 1 project is created. Now we first select the design option. We do not require this blueprint, and then we go to this option and show system UI. So this is the application title, Android application development 1. Now moving to the coding part, we have 3 options here: code, split and design. Now switch to the code. So as we can see here we have a constraint layout. Okay, now I'm changing the main layout of my activity to relative layout. This is my relative layout, and again go to the design. So this is my relative layout. Now go to the layouts, and then we have a linear layout, vertical. Just drag and drop this layout. So split में दिखेंगे, right? Linear layout, vertical. Orientation is vertical. Okay, now go to the palette. Then text, and drag and drop the text view. So this is my text view. Okay, as we can see here, this is my text view. Go to the attribute window. Now ID TV1, I am giving ID as TV1. Then refactor it. Then enter name. Suppose user will enter the name in this text field, and now I change the text appearance to display 1. As we can see here, it will go to the design first. It will increase the size of your text appearance. Now next, we take a plain text, drag and drop it. This is basically used to enter the text user input. This is my ET1, the edit text 1. Again we have to refactor it. Then name, just remove the text. Why? Because in edit text, user will enter the text. Then again go to the buttons, then button drag and drop. We have a button, this ID BTN1. Again refactor it. This is my submit button, and on the clicking of button, we will display a name entered by the user in edit text. So again I will take a text view so that we can display the output. So now this is my text view for displaying the output. Again go to the ID of this text view. This is my TV2. Refactor it. Then I will display the output. So I am typing an output, and again text, go to the text appearance and display to. There are various options. You can take a body too. So this is my layout of the application. Now moving to the next, we start with the coding. For coding we use main activity.java file. So first we initialize the objects of text view. We have a text view. So this is my LBL. It is like a label. So we have a 2 text view. Then next we have a edit text. That is my txt1, and then we have a button. So these are the things that I used in design. Now we initialize this all. LBL1 equals to find view by ID r dot id dot, this is my TV1. Same way, LBL2 dot equals to find view by ID r dot id dot TV2. Then we have a TXT1 find view by ID r dot id dot ET1. Then next we have a button which is my B1 equals to find view by ID r dot id dot BTN1. So I have initialized all the UI components using the find view by ID function. Now we start with the event handling code. So user click on button which is your B1. We set OnClick Listener on B1. As we can see here, this is my listener name. Then we initialize new and view dot OnClick Listener. When we select this option, it will generate a OnClick event for us. So this is my OnClick event which is generated by the button, and set OnClick Listener will listen and it will perform some action. So whatever action I want, I will write in OnClick method. So first we initialize the variable string. Now user will enter the name. So user जो name enter करेगा, it will accepted in TXT1. So first we get the text from the TXT1 and then converted into toString and store in name variable. Now I will set this name to LBL2 dot set text, and I will print a small message, your name is, and then I will print the name. So this is a small code where we are getting a text from the edit text and displaying the text on the text view, which is your label 2. So we start with the execution of the program. To run this application, we click on this button and just wait for some time. So this is an output of this application. Now user will enter the name. So I am typing the name as Shahid, and then click on the button submit. As we can see here, it is displaying my name as your name is Shahid. So this is all about the OnClick Listener which is applied on the button. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.